Okay, so hello everyone, it's me, Best D. So today we are going to continue our blog building. So let's enter. Ocean. No. Come on, this is Come on, this is Come on for this. Okay, so let's log into the website. What we are going to do today now. Come on for this. What we are going to do now is we are going to change the logo, the menu. This menu, this is what we call menu. We are going to change it. We are going to remove all this and add our own. Okay. We are going to change many stuff. So that is how it is. So I've logged into the admin panel. So what I need to do now is I go here. Now I'm going to change the menu now. I'm going to remove all those menus. I'm going to delete all those menus. So let you go to appearance, menu, this menu. Okay, or let's use this how do you call it? Let's go to menu first and remove those things from the menu and add our own. We have this at the menu, this one menu here, premium themes menu. We have to delete that menu. Delete it. You have to delete the menu. Okay, I have deleted the menu. So I still have another one. No. So I have to create a new menu now. I'll click here. I have to create a new menu. Create a new menu. I have to give it name. Header M. Okay, header menu. Okay, now I've created new menu. So I'm going to add. The menu does not have anything now, so I'm going to add something to it. I will add contact us. Then I will add this. Let's say any page you create, you will see the page here. Any page you create, I will add home, contact us. You click add to menu. Then I also go to categories. I will add some categories to it. Entertainment, general, news. Add to menu. Okay, so this is what I have added to the menu. I have add home, contact us, home, contact us. Oh, I add two home, so I have to remove this one. Add contact, remove this one. Okay, this is what I have added to the menu. You can see it easy. So I have to mark this place primary menu. That is the top menu that normally stay at the top. Understand? So I will save it now. Now let us review it. I'm just working on the menu now. How to set the menu? Okay. 4 minutes. Setting menu for. Okay, now I have added menu. I have saved it. So let's preview it. Okay, let's check the menu now. You can see that this is what I have added to the menu. Contact us, general, This is what I have added to the menu. The first time the menu was many. So let's go and go and set the widget. Okay, or let's go and set all this place, the logo, this place, everything here. Let's set that now. Now what we just do is the how do you call it, the menu. So let's go and customize those. Go to appearance, customize. So that's where you set most of the things on your website before you add the page. Okay. Why I'm doing all this is just for you to follow it and try to understand those stuff. So that is it. If not, you need to play. As in, you need to play with this thing. Create a website first. Play with it. Enter anywhere you like, so that you know how it is. So we are here. So let's start from the top. We have to start at setting things from the top. Okay. Come for you. Go to site identity. You can change the logo from here. You can change the logo to anything. You upload the logo, you change it. Just click it. Let's say let's change the logo. No. You just upload a photo. You click here, you upload the photo, then you click select. That is it. The logo will change. This logo will change. But let me remove it now. I don't need the logo. The site title, you set the site title here. Okay. Time is going. Then what do you want to show at the top? Header logo only. Okay. Just click publish here. Click publish. Then that one will be saved. Then click this place back to go to another site and set it. Okay. Then colors, background color. If you want to set it, you set it. Header media, you don't need this one. That is it. If you want image to be at the top. Background image, if you want to add background image. Menus, that is the menu I created right hand. Header M. If I click now, all those things on the menu will show. Widgets. Now we have so many widgets here. Okay, so when you click it, you can remove it. Look at all this widget. You can remove it, delete it. Widget are all those picture, all those things. You have to play with widget. Okay, not so many things. You just move it, add your own widget. This one will show news. This one will show news on your page. You can see. If you look back, you can click publish. Now, home page setting. Your latest post. Now you can see if I want my own page to be my latest post, I will click here. If I want it to be another page that I set for it, I'll just click here and select the page. Time is going. Additional CSS. Can use this header option. Okay, enter header option. You see main header area display type. This is the type I was using. Image header image position. This is where it is, the middle of breaking news. Breaking news is that thing at the top that is sliding. If you don't want it, you off it. Show date. If you don't want to show that date at the top of the site. Show icon, home page icon, that home page icon that resemble house. Sticky menu. Now what the sticky menu does is that when someone scroll down, it will show the menu at the top of the browser. But if it is off, if someone scroll down, the person will not see it. Okay, Now search icon, if I want the search icon to be there, I mark it. Okay, I don't post. If I don't want it, I click it and publish it. Let me go back. That is how to set it. Continue to set it according to your like. Okay, design option. These are all the skin color. If you want to change it, everything here, you have to customize it. Continue to customize. That is how it is. So let's take a look at our website now. This is how it is look. This is how it's looking now. Can you see it? This is how it is now. So if I want to remove this one now, just click this place on, edit it and remove it. You can see. You can just come here and remove. Can you see it? Publish. That is how it is. Preview. Preview. Papa. Can see the way the site is now. If I click here, you can see it bar. So anything you want to edit, you can see all this button here. When you click it, you edit that. For instance, if I want to remove this thing that is showing here, I'll just click. You can see it take me to where I will remove it. Have you seen it bar? If I want to remove it, number of posts to display, you can see it. So that is how it is. Okay, now let's go back. This is the back of the website. So if you want to add a page, you go here. This is it. You add the page. If you want to add post, you add it here. Okay. So that is how it is. If you want to add post, you add it. You select the category. That's how everything is. So you have to play around here. Play very well. Play so that if you don't play with it, you won't know anything here. There are a lot of settings here. The general setting, if you want people to register on your site, where people can register. This is it. You see something like this, anyone can register. You mark it. Register rows, subscribers. Save it. So that is it. Now let's check another setting. Let's check time. 12 minutes. So I have to cut now. So you have to play with all these things here, tools. Now when you begin to add plugins, there are a lot of plugins. Anything you want on your website, if there are different type of plugins, you can add it. When you add it, this place will be another setting will come to this side when you add any plugins. So you have to play with it, and Google is your friend. So anything you want to create, search Google, and Google will specify the specific plugins for you, so that you can use it, and they should also teach you how to use it. And there's something we call shortcode. Now, shortcode. We don't have any. Okay, it's okay. So continue with this one. Play with it. Thanks. It's me, Bestin.